Hello everyone, this is Amika Mahajan. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will find log of some numbers. Last video में मैंने log निकालना सिखाया था log table से. अब इस वीडियो में हम कुछ प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. Suppose I am having number 0.03865. अब ये number less than 1 है but positive. So I have to convert it in standard form. First I will remove this decimal. I have to write in standard form. That means I have to shift this decimal after this 3. So this is possible only if I write this number as like this. So what will be the standard form? 3.865 into 10 raised power minus 2. Now, if I have to find log of this number 0.03865, how I told you in last video that power of 10, here it is negative power, minus 2 integer will come here, plus this is characteristic of log of this number. Then here is one number 3.865 which is lying between 1 and 10. This number I will write here and I will take log of this. This part is known as mantissa. So this value can be known using logarithm. Let's zoom in this log table. I told you that when I write like this, I consider mantissa. I ignore this decimal. I will take first 2 digits, that is 38. 38 will tell which row you have to take from this log table. These are the rows 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I will consider first 2 digit here is 38. So 38, this row I will consider. Third digit will tell which column to be taken. Here, third digit is 6. So on the top of the column, it is written 6. So I will consider 6th column. In which row? 38, this one. Its value is 5866. Then fourth digit will tell column of mean difference. Here 4th digit is 5. So column of mean difference I will take where 5 is written at the top. So what I do, I take this column and come to row starting with 38. So 38 first, main column 6th 5866, then sub column at the top it should be 5. So its value is 6. So what will be the value? I will take sum of these two values. 5866 plus 6. It will be 5872. So what I will do? 5872. I told you that this number is lying between 1 and 10. So log of this number should be between 0 and 1. So I will put decimal here. So log can be written as this characteristic is negative because power of 10 in standard form is negative. So it will be 2 bar 0.5872. I will not subtract this from this. I will keep it this form. This form is preferred because mantissa is always positive. So I will write this minus 2 characteristic as 2 bar point this value of mantissa 0.5872. Now come to this number. Here it is 0.3865. When I write it in standard form, I will remove decimal first. I will shift this decimal here 3.865. So I am dividing by 1000. So 110 is more there in denominator. It will be now 10 raised power minus 1. So what I find if I take log of 0.3865, then what happens? I take power minus 1. Now characteristic is changed. It is minus 1. But there is no change in value of mantissa. It is still 3.865. So I will ignore again decimal. Come to this row 38. First 2 digits are 38. Come to column with 6 written on the top, value was 5866. Then sub column in mean difference with 5 written on the top, its value was 6. Again, what happens? What I find, it is 5872. but this number is lying between 1 and 10. So log is between 0 and 1. So I will put minus point here. So it will be written as 1 bar 0.5872. This form is preferred because mantissa is always kept positive. Now come to next number 38.65. First write it in standard form. What I will do, I will divide by 10 and multiply by 10. So it will be 3.865 into 10 raised power 1. Now characteristic will be positive. So log of 38.65 will be power of 10, 1. This is characteristic. Plus log of this number, which is lying between 1 and 10, 3.865. This is mantissa. Its value to be determined from log. But I find now characteristic is positive, but mantissa remains same. So already I have found this value from the log table by considering row 38 with first column with 6 written at the top. Then mean difference column, sub column with 5 written at the top. When I add these two values, what I get 5872 point here. Why point? Because this number is lying between 1 and 10. So log will lie between 0 and 1. So here I will add because here mantissa is already positive. So this is the log of this number. Now come to this. It is already in standard form. So if I want to find its characteristic, I will write it like 10 raised power 0. This 0 is the characteristic. So when I write log of 3.865, characteristic is 0 plus log of 3.865. This is mantissa, whose value to be determined using log. Again, same mantissa is there. So value I already know. It is 5872 with decimal here because value should lie between 0 and 1. So log of 3.865 will be 0.5872. So in this way, this number is also less than 10. So you can find log. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe my channel.